Hey guys, so I'm sitting in my laundry room, and as you saw in the thumbnail, basically in the title, I plumbed up a sink in my laundry room. That way I can, when I come in from the pole barn, and I'm all dirty and grungy or outside doing work, on the 10 acres, I've got a place to clean up and not in the kitchen sink. So I'm always kind of getting mad, using the kitchen sink. So let me flip the camera around, show you the space that I had to work with, and why we were able to do it. The cabinet I purchased from Home Depot for, I think it was like $145, and then how I plumbed this whole thing. It's a relatively short video. I'm not a professional plumber. My neighbor is. Excuse me, my neighbor is, and he came over, let me borrow his tools, and I'll show you how. He told me exactly how to plumb it up. He came over, inspected all my work, make sure everything was good, and we leak tested it. Everything's good. So I'll show you how we did it, like I said, and then I'm going to drywall it up, and then I'll show you the finished product at the end of the video when everything's all done and the cabinet's sitting in place with the water running. So here is the sink basin that I purchased, guys, and it is 24 inches wide, but I think it's 37 inches tall. Sits on a little base down there. You can see it's a big, nice stainless top. It's 21 inches wide, and I think it's 9 inches deep. Has a flexible hose here, okay, which will be nice to have. Obviously hot and cold running water. And the reason why, you can see, if I were to run a normal washer and dryer, I couldn't do this. But since we have an all-in-one washer dryer, which my wife absolutely loves, we were able to plug, basically plumb in a sink base here so that I can have a place to wash up. So now let me get into how I plumb this thing. Let me actually turn a light on. Yeah, see if that helps a little bit. Now, here's my washer and dryer hookup, right? And here's the drain for my washer. It comes down, and there's actually a P-trap that goes up like this, okay? P-trap, and then it comes across and connects here. This is the stack that vents out to the top of the roof, and then this goes down underneath the house, right? And goes to my septic system. Now, with that said, basically what my neighbor told me to do is we put in the T here, or I cut out the pipe, put in a T, and we have to run another P-trap here. If I understand it right, if we did not have this style of setup, you would have to run, I believe it's called an airman's valve, if you don't have a vent stack to connect to for your drain. So if you're able to connect to this, but your vent tube you didn't have, I believe you have to run an airman's valve. And I'll try. Now I would consult with a professional plumber. Again, my neighbor was a retired professional plumber. He actually plumbed my house. So we used shark bite fittings, which he recommended using. These you can actually, they have an O-ring in them. So I basically cut 1 inch out of each copper pipe, and then cleaned the copper pipe up real good with some emery cloth. Pushed them back in, and you can swivel these shark bites on the tubing. That's perfectly fine. That's what they're for. And then we used the PEX tubing, crimped on some 90s here so I could basically, tie into it, come up and across behind the drywall. And then you can see I've got these style, which I screwed onto the 2x4s. So they're nice and secure to the 2x4, okay? And then these are just deadheaded right now. So basically I can, put the drywall back over top instead of trying to go over these big, large fittings. Then what we'll do is we'll turn the water off on the house. Again, cut the pipes, tubing shorter, remove those so I can give those back to my neighbor. And then we'll slide these on, and then we can connect these right to the faucet, right? And then we'll have hot and cold water. And then basically over here, I need to run another P-trap again. You have to run a P-trap under the sink as well. Otherwise you'll get stinky, smelly odor coming up through the sink. The same if you don't run a P-trap for your vent here. Basically, you know, there's a little bit of water that stays there, so otherwise you don't get the sewage smell coming up out of your vent. That's the whole purpose. And again, this vents up out to the top of the roof, so again, I don't get that stinky smell. That's why I believe you have to run an airman's valve if you don't tie into your vent, is my understanding. So it's a pretty straightforward, guys. I was very fortunate to be able to do this. Everything was, you know, very close proximity. And again, you know, this is, you know, again, a shark valve, shark bite. And inside there, I don't know if you can see the O-ring, the black O-ring underneath that brown. And you can see those sharp little teeth there. That's where the PEX tubing or the copper will bite into. And that allows it to get a good grip, and then you can see it'll bottom out. So you'll feel it kind of go through those little teeth, kind of past that O-ring, and then, you know, you'll want to bottom it out as well. And it'll bottom out, you know, somewhere around here. And the same with those fittings, right? Those two T's that I was just showing you, and the same with these. They all have the same design. Those teeth, O-ring, bottom out. Pretty straightforward, guys, so that's how I was able to do it. We'll come back here in a little bit after the drywall is all done. I've got these installed, the P-trap, you know, under the sink all installed, and the water running, just so you can see the final product. All right, guys, you can see it's all plumbed up. Everything's ready to go, and I already tested it, no leaks. So now I've got a wash basin all plumbed up in the laundry room. Trust me when I say this, if I can do this, you can too. But, you know, again, I had a professional plumber kind of guide me on how to do this. So, you know, check out, you know, plumber, neighbor, you know, that knows this stuff. You know, where your plumbing's at, and maybe you can do the exact same thing for just a few $100s and add a sink basin to your laundry room. So I know my wife's happy.
Oh yes, extremely.
So thanks for watching, guys. See you in a future video.